snoring too damn loud, man. What the fuck is a thoke? Hey, you finna get choked with all that damn snoring. Up hell. Like in that bro, like you been eating shit sickles.
Why y'all sleeping at the foot of the bed? Oh, that's settled. You sleeping at the foot of the bed.
Who said you can't sleep at the foot of the fucking bed? Because that's what we do. We sleep at the foot of the bed. And why would I set it up to let this man put his feet that he walk on the ground in my mouth? Shut up. Okay, because y'all be getting on my nerves with that stupid shit. But yeah, y'all act like folks can't sleep at the foot of the bed. Call us weird, call us whatever. But yeah, we sleep at the foot of the bed. Every blue moon we start sleeping at the foot of our bed. And then we turn sideways, sleep sideways sometimes. So don't worry about what we doing over here. Just worry about you, baby, okay? And thank you for watching the motherfucking video. Now let's get into this thing. cut the light on.
I'm trying to wake you up. You snoring too loud. Dang. Yeah. Kyerra. Look, you need to get your fucking ass out of here sounding like a damn hog. Kyerra. Gotta go to sleep with your ass in here like this. You 800 pounds. Kyerra. Come on, man. Get up. You snoring too damn loud, man. Damn. Damn. Yo, what? What the fuck is a doke? Hey, you finna get choked. Y'all that damn snoring. It's snoring too loud, man. Put in the cover, dang.
Turn the light off. Put the light
I ain't
off.
turn that light off because you snoring too damn loud. I know you heard me pushing you before I even got to put the light on. Kyerra, why is you breathing like that? Come on, man. I'm about to sleep like that. You make too much damn noise. Oh, hell. Like you ain't real, like you been eating shit sickle.
I know you fucking lying, bitch.
Yeah. Hey, come on, man. Looking like all kind of different fucking kind of animals, man. You know where you snow, but you don't slow that down, baby. You make too much. Oh, come on. Kyerra. Let's just can't fucking hear you get out the front of the damn cover then. Put your ass out here. There you go. Put over, move your foot. Kyerra, you too loud. You too loud. Dang. What the fuck? Your damn head finna bust or something. Stop doing this shit. Can you chill out for real though? You snoring too loud. Baby, you waking me up, man. You know we gotta get up in the morning. Kyerra. Kyerra, can you stop? You snoring too damn loud. You ain't, how the hell can you even sleep making that kind of fucking noise? Ain't no way you sleeping, you making that kind of noise though. Damn, you gonna wake the kids up. They make the damn smoke alarm go off and everything else. You make too much damn noise. You know what I'm saying? You doing too much. Can you stop all that? Oh, you irritating the shit out of me. Well, look, you ain't got to make them noise.
Sorry.
Yeah, but I've been telling you what you have to do. What's in my face? It's your throat, man.
Okay.
Get the fuck off of me! Move! What the fuck you doing? Get back!
Hey, you scared me.
Yeah, how the fuck I scared you? You scared me. Get back!
I'm crying.
I don't care. Get back. What are you doing too
You
much?
scared me, baby.
I scared you. I ain't even doing that.
Stop playing.
Man, my eyes already burned. I'm so damn tired. I'm finna hit you in the fat ass nose. You need to get out of my face. Ooh, Kyerra, move!
I can't breathe. Get out my
Look, on, man. Shine that fucking face. Get out of my face. Breathing like that. What you looking like that? Man, ain't gonna act like that, gonna be.
I don't care. him.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna put it in here.
Man, you could be silly, man. I'm hot. Hurt.
I'm hot. The ceiling fan staying on. Kyerra, I can't fucking sleep. Damn, you laugh. What's so fucking funny? Stop all that fucking bullshit. It sound like a pig. Damn. I mean, all that goddamn noise like that. Anybody want to hear that shit?
Like,
Damn. Laughing on for real. Chill out. You done woke me up with that bullshit. Ain't nothing wrong with your fucking laugh. You did. You want to be laughing. I know you lying.
it's a prank, baby.
How the hell is it a prank? Come on, man. Damn.
My throat hurts for real, though. It's a prank, baby.
Man, come on.
Man. What time is it? You got me about 3 something. That's a prank. I just had to follow through with the prank. It is 3:19.
Yeah, get the fuck out of my face now. I'm finna slap your fat head ass.
Bang!
Hey, man, go on. Like you got pit bull in you.
Alright, man.
Alright, man.
Anything nasty. These things got me doing it. Y'all. Sleeping at the damn foot of the bed with his ass been fucking fan and got me.
Yeah, I'm telling you now. I ain't kissing you. Move. What the hell I look like?
Good night, baby.
Good night.
Come on, give me a kiss.
No, I'm not kissing you. You kill it.
Hey, give me a kiss. Why you
I ain't
can't
gonna kiss you. Wrong with
Why?
you? Making that noise and shit.
Why you can't kiss me?
I'm not kissing you, shit.
Why?
The hell?
Wait. Y'all, I know I need to be asleep, but I had to do this prank. I did more than how they hear me asleep now. Now he was in playing the game earlier. But we ain't got a game by 1. Was it 12? I was 12 something. Yeah, my throat hurt for real. But I ain't gonna prolong it. Now you snoring. I ain't gonna prolong this video. Let me find my post notification. Cause you been telling me to do this video. I told you I had you. Okay, y'all. So I want to give my post notification shout out to Chris Martin. You the one who gave me this prank idea. I finally came through for you. If you guys enjoyed this video, y'all don't forget to give us a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification, share this shit. Could be lit. And I'll see y'all next banger. Y'all, it's 3:21. Oh, y'all are fucking fine. Fucking nap ass head. We out, y'all. Good night, William. Good morning. Good, whatever it is. We love y'all. We out.